Hi friends, today I am discussing the probability chapter of SSLC. A square with all vertices on a circle. That is, a square is inscribed in a circle. Then we have to find the probability of a square with all vertices on a circle. For that we have to find the area of square, then area of circle, both we have to find out. Then first we have to find the area of square that everybody know. This square with side A, then area is A square. The next one is, then we have to find out the area of square with diagonal D, then area of triangle ABC we have to find out. For that we have to use the Pythagoras theorem. Then we have to draw separately like this one triangle with A, B, C sides, then with measurement A, here A base, here height A, then this is hypotenuse D. Then using these values we have to find out, using Pythagoras theorem we have to find out this BC square equal to AB square plus AC square, that is BC square, that is hypotenuse, equal to AB square then plus AC square. Then we have to put the values. D square equal to A square plus A square, then that is 2A square. We have to write 2A square. We have to add these values, then 2A square. Then here we have A square here. We have to put A this side only. Then we have to keep these 2 this side. It will go by division. D square by 2, that is equal to A square. Then we know this area of square is A square. Then we have to equate these two equations with this equation we have to equate. Then we will have half D square equal to A square. That is area of this triangle. Area of this triangle ABC is half D square. Then we have area of this square also half D square. Like that we will get the equation. Then next we have to find out area of circle, that is pi r square. Normally on circle pi r square. Then here it is area is, radius is D by 2, that is diagonal is given, no radius. Then we have to calculate radius like this, D by 2. Then that is r equal to D by 2. Then we have to put this radius here, pi D by 2 whole square. Then pi D square, remove the bracket, pi D square divided by 4. That is the probability, that is the area of circle we got. Then next we have to find out the probability of this diagram, probability of the a square with all vertices on a circle, that we have to find out. For that we have this denominator, as we have this circle, area of circle we have to, that is here it is outside our figure is circle, then inside our figure is square. Then as denominator we have to put this area of circle as denominator. Then as numerator we have to put this area of square. Like that every problem we have to do like that for getting probability. That is outside figure, that is you have to area of the outside figure you have to put as denominator, then numerator half D square. Then we have to take the reciprocal of this down fraction, that is denominator we have to take the reciprocal, that is one fraction on the top. It's 1 by 2 is one fraction. Then pi by 4 another fraction. Then how we will calculate these? Half D square we will write as it is, then into, then we have to take the reciprocal of the denominator. Then pi D square by 4 we have to take the reciprocal, then 4 on the top, 4 divided by pi D square. Then we can cut D square, then 4 and 2, then we will get 2. then answer is 2 by pi. That is the probability of this answer question. Okay, thank you.